Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI FET. Yeah, price is still in a correction, clearly. Smaller degree correction, possibly still within the larger degree correction. However, I would want to see a support area break to confirm that further, because this move up that happened after the 5th of August, it clearly doesn't look as if it's part of that initial decline. Yeah, so you have a very, very clear downtrend that happened. Yeah, and then we had this sort of breakout, and it just clearly doesn't fit in. Obviously you could draw just normal trend lines here somehow, but it just doesn't fit in. Even here with a I would say, what is that? Maybe 40 degree trend line. It's clearly above it, or it clearly moved above it. Anyway, it just doesn't, that any bounce from any of these swing lows here within the downtrend were just completely too small to be compared with this. So that's why we're tracking here the potential beginning of the next move to the upside, and I want to show it to you what that would mean. Let me tidy that up a little bit, but if we really bottomed in a wave 4, larger degree wave 4 on the 5th of August, then this move to the upside that we are tracking would have to be a 5th wave. And we know that from the chart context, the chart would likely unfold as a larger diagonal pattern, which means that the wave 5 has to be an ABC structure. And it is possible that the A wave element of the larger A wave completed, and then and then we are now in a B wave and would rally in wave C of the larger A wave in wave 5, because A waves are often 3-wave movements, so A, B, C, and A. Then a B wave pullback could follow, and a C wave up, possibly 480, $620, $9. These are all like relevant upside levels to watch, but for now, what matters most at the moment is to watch if the bulls turn up here before we break below this this blue target area, Fibonacci extension area. I highlighted to you a few days ago that this area around 117, 118 should offer support. It has done that. Okay, yeah, the price broke briefly to around about 111, but has then recovered quite quickly. And at the moment, the thesis would be that in the white wave count, smaller degree white scenario, this is now a 4th wave bounce. Okay, so we have talked in the previous video about this resistance area that would likely be reached, located between 124 and 133. The price has indeed reached it. We know that usually sort of an ideal target area for a 4th wave is between the 38.2 and 50% retracements. Now this area has been reached already. Yeah, that's between 124 and 128. So we've reached that area. If the move down is an ending diagonal in wave C of Y, bear in mind a Y wave is an ABC structure itself. So but if the price is in this C wave of wave Y, then we should see one more low. It is possible that a low already formed, but only in an alternative scenario. I mean, really anything is possible. But if a low already is in, it would, that yellow wave B would have been a WXY structure and a completely tricky structure to deal with. But yeah, what else can I say? I mean, if we break below the swing low that formed here on Saturday, then the price would, as per this white scenario, which is actually what I'm expecting, at least that's what I'm watching for, the price should reach $1.07 or $1.01 in the process, and then the correction could complete in that region. So that's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.